Hi guys, welcome to Vishwa Techlogic YouTube channel. So in this video, I will explain how you can open the WazirX account. So how you can complete your KYC in the WazirX account. So friends, basically WazirX is a crypto exchange app where you can invest the money in the cryptocurrency, and also if you want to do the daily trading also, you can do the trading also. So in the WazirX, basically lot of options are available. So we can think it as it is an alternative app for the CoinSwitch also. So Coins is also one of the crypto exchanging app only. So if you are interested in the crypto investments and if you want to earn the money by investing in the crypto, just join to our WhatsApp group. So as you can see here, I have been creating a group, so where you can join to our group to get the notifications and all. So friends, let's get into the topic. Before going to the video friends, still if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. Click on the link which is given in the description. So once you click on the link, so you will land to this page. So just click on sign up now and just fill the your email ID and the password and also the confirmation password. So I will enter the password and I will get back to you. So just agree the terms and condition and just click on the sign up. So once you click on sign up, so you will get a verification email ID. So just open your email, Gmail, and verify your email ID. So just click on verify email ID. So once it is verified, so as you can see here, my email ID is verified. So get back to your browser. Once you refresh your browser, so once it is refreshed, so here you need to set up your security friends, so authentication. So as you can see here, so mobile SMS, so authentication app. So authentication app is nothing but friends, so Google authentication app is available. You can set up that app, or else you can set up the mobile SMS. So I will select as mobile SMS. So I will enter my mobile number, I will select the country and I will enter my mobile number. So I will enter my mobile number, and once I enter my mobile number, you need to verify your mobile number. So you will get an OTP. So I will enter my OTP over here. So once you enter the OTP, just click on next. So here as you can see here, security setting is updated, so 2FA is set up. So once you set up that, so here you need to select the country. So I will select the country, and also as you can see here, there are two options, without KYC and with KYC. So here don't click on skip for now, so just click on complete KYC. So if you are not completing your KYC, you can't withdraw your money friends. So if you can deposit, you can trade, but you can't withdraw your money. So here only you can just click on complete KYC. So here you need to fill basic information like first name, middle name, last name, and also the date of birth, address, and also the state and the city, and also the pin code, zip code, nothing but pin code. So you need to enter it. So I will enter all my details and I will get back to you. So once I enter, so I will click on submit and continue. So once you click on it, so as you can see here, you need to upload your PAN card, and also you need to have a minimum 2 PAN card or Aadhaar card or passport or driving license. So here I will use PAN card and Aadhaar card over here. So I will click on continue here. So once you click on continue, so here you need to allow the permission. So once you allow the permission friends, so here over here, so you need to accept the terms and conditions of the WazirX. So I will click on it. So PAN card is mandatory over here. So you can have any one of this Aadhaar card, passport, or else driving license. So just click on it and continue and click on allow. So here you need to take a selfie with your holding your Aadhaar card or driving license or passport. So you can just hold any one. So I have an Aadhaar card with me, so I will hold and I will take the pic with it, and I will verify it and I will get back to you. Once you verify it, so you need to enter your PAN card number So I will enter my PAN card number and I will click on next. So once you click on next, so you need to upload your PAN card, friends, here. So document, you need to take the front photo and you need to upload. So once you upload it, so as you can see here, you will be getting both the photos, and also you need to click on Aadhaar card, or else you can click on anything like passport. So once you enter the Aadhaar card number, so you need to upload the Aadhaar card photo also, so front as well as the back. So once you click on it, so just click on the continue. So it will take some time, friends, to verify your account. You will be getting the confirmation mail, friends, so to your registered email ID. So once you click on continue, so you will be getting an option to withdraw also. So no need to worry about that. So once your account is verified, you will be getting an option. So the app is available for the Windows and also the Android as well as for the iOS. So I will give a link in the description of the app also, so you can just go to the link and you can download the app. So as you can see here, so interface is simple. So first thing you need to do is, first thing you need to log into your account. So once you log into your account, so after approving the KYC, so you can log into your account, you can start your investment. So this is the mail, friends, where you will be getting, so after the completion of the KYC, so KYC is approved. So if you are interested in the, so how you can invest and how you can earn, so subscribe to our channels. In the further videos, I will explain how you can deposit and how you can trade the cryptocurrencies in the WazirX. So thank you, friends.